It's time to say goodbye to all of these silly tricks and instead say hello to Hickway, the most effective way that you can stop your hiccups. Amanda, just take this, give me that glass of water, just put, and drink through it. That easy.
Wow, my hiccups are gone.
Amazing.
How does that work?
Shocking how that happens.
You know, hiccups are a repeated cycle of spasms in the diaphragm, and drinking through the Hickway generates enough pressure that can stop those spasms in the diaphragm.